Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive into the pros and cons of tech products. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Apple Magic Mouse. Known for its beautiful design and divisive features, let's find out if this mouse lives up to the hype. Out of the box, the Magic Mouse feels like a quality product, seamlessly pairing with your Apple devices. However, the cursor positioning can be a bit challenging, especially when your palm rests on the desk. While the mouse glides smoothly and swiftly, it may require some adjustment to find the exact cursor point. This non-ergonomic design can take some getting used to. The Magic Mouse's aesthetics are undeniably beautiful, but do they translate into a beautiful user experience? The left and right button features, nestled under the single casing, along with the multi-touch technology in the middle, provide convenient scrolling and navigation. The new plastic rails underneath enhance smooth movement across the desktop, though it may not feel as fast as other options on the market. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, ergonomics. While the Magic Mouse isn't marketed as an ergonomic mouse, comparing it to models like the Logitech MX Master 3 reveals its limitations. The low, symmetrical shape of the Magic Mouse may not be suitable for extended hours of work without causing discomfort. One frustrating aspect of the Magic Mouse is the charging port located on the underside. While Apple claims it can charge quickly, rendering the mouse unusable during that time can be inconvenient. This design flaw remains unchanged since the first Magic Mouse, and it's understandable why some users find it bothersome. The price of the Magic Mouse starts at $79 for the white model and $99 for the black model, without any clear added features to justify the price difference. However, finding discounts for this Apple product can be challenging, with most deals available on refurbished models. While the Magic Mouse's design is undeniably stunning and appeals to Apple enthusiasts, it's essential to prioritize functionality over aesthetics. The charging port placement and lack of ergonomic support may deter those who spend long hours at their desks. For individuals seeking a functional and ergonomic mouse, alternatives like the Logitech models may be a better choice. In conclusion, the Magic Mouse is a beauty to behold, but when it comes to a mouse, the function should take precedence over aesthetics. For Apple enthusiasts who prioritize style, the Magic Mouse may be a great fit. However, for those who value comfort and the ability to use a mouse while charging, it may be wise to explore other options.